I don't know. Touch it. Touch him again.
Ow.
Did you try to fly away?
No, he was her. Ow, ow, ow,
Touch him
ow.
again. Nice, Mr. Birdie. Look at mommy and smile. Aw, poor little guy. Try to pick him up.
Oh, I'm scared.
Look, he's moving. Now you gotta use both hands.
I think you should. Let's just go like this. Gonna burn.
Okay, but it's better when you touch him. Maybe we should just leave him. Maybe he's old.
Yeah, but then why is he flying?
I don't know. It's weird that he's not flying away. We try to give him a little piece of bread. He's not taking it.
Maybe he's thirsty.
Yeah, maybe he is thirsty.
Give us some water.
Yeah, but how are we going to get the water? In a cup? It's going to be too high for him. Maybe you should take him and put him in the water fountain.
Come up.
Yeah, but you have to do it with both hands.
Okay, you try.
I'm scared.
I'm scared.
You're a boy. You do it.
I'm scared.
No, I got that. Be nice.